You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.